If you want to change DPI settings on the Samsung Galaxy A57, then we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first option is to open settings. Then over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to display settings. And then here we should be able to find the screen zoom option. Here we can just move to the left or to the right in order to make everything smaller or everything bigger on our screen. Simple as that. However, if you're looking for some more precise option, and that allows you to precisely adjust the DPI, then in that case we can use developer options, or an option that we have available in the developer mode. So in settings, we're gonna scroll all the way down and we need to open About Phone. Here in About Phone, we're gonna go to the software information, and then we need to keep tapping on the build number until we need to enter our screen lock password. After that, we're gonna go back to settings, and then in settings, we're gonna find developer options. There we go. Now, in the developer options, we'll have to scroll down for a little bit, and we need to find an option that is called minimum width. Now here, the lower the number is, the bigger UI elements are going to be. And there are, well, I know one limit, and that is 320. This is the smallest value that we can provide in here. And this makes the screen pretty much the biggest as it is possible. I mean, as big as it is possible. If I try to provide an even lower number, it just caps at 220. Of course, the bigger the number is, the smaller the UI is going to be. So if I type something like 600 over here, then everything is going to be much smaller, as you can see up here, which is of course inaccessible by using the screen zoom setting. Now, of course, I recommend avoiding using really high values, simply because if you provide like a really big number in here, it might be really difficult to revert that change. And in case you have trouble with resetting the value to the standard one, which seems to be 384, if I remember correctly, then what you can do is you can try to simply go back to display settings. Then over here in screen zoom, you just want to quickly switch to a different screen zoom that is set up over here, and then go back to the one that you intend to use. And this should be working as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.